Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in the AFK Arena application using your mobile device. To change the language in your AFK Arena game, first of all, launch Open AFK Arena app on your iPhone or your Android devices. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the profile picture at the top left corner. Now, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Language. Choose the language you want to switch to from the list of available language. After you make a selection, click on Confirm and the game will automatically switch to the chosen language. That is how you easily continue playing AFK Arena in your preferred language, making the experience even more enjoyable. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Crazy Gamer for more tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.